Hey, this is Harold at Giant Loop, and we're over here at our friends and colleagues BlackStrap Industries here in Bend, Oregon. I'm picking up some of these cool new neck buffs, man. Super stoked about these things. They call them the Daily Tube. It's like 96% UV protection, so no more red sunburned necks. Great for any sport. And they're actually doing the whole thing like right here and in neighboring states. So cool new addition to the Giant Loop kit. Some sun protection. Here's one. It keeps the bees from going down the neck of your riding jacket and into your jacket. So multi-use, cool product, cool people. Go light, go fast, go far.